Repository number 1, Virat/AI Hedge Fund. This repository, an AI hedge fund team. Here's a brief overview. The goal of this project is to explore the use of AI to make trading decisions. This project is for educational purposes only and is not intended for real trading or investment. Repository number 2, Plakta/SeedVC. This repository zero-shot voice conversion and singing voice conversion with real-time support. Here's a brief overview. Without any training, it is able to clone a voice given a reference speech of 130 seconds. We support further fine-tuning on custom data to increase performance on specific speakers with extremely low data requirement, minimum 1 utterance per speaker, and extremely fast training speed, minimum. Repository number 3, Composio HQ/Composio. This repository Composio equips your AI agents and LLMs with 100+ high-quality integrations via function calling. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Composio HQ/Composio description. Composio equips your AI agents and LLMs with 100+ high-quality integrations via function calling Connect Claude, Cursor, and Windsurf to 100+ fully managed MCP servers with built-in auth.